know this real quick, bro? Let's see.
Hey, did you push the thing underneath the seat so it doesn't get stepped on?
Yeah. Right under him.
Under him?
Under AJ. AJ pushed it on the bottom. What's up, Junior?
What's up?
Yeah, well, some
I know, I told I always forget where
about the
y'all
road?
live. And he says, well, you don't need to remember because it's probably the last time we're going to be. Is that a power
It is?
bar?
Huh?
Yeah.
That's a power bar.
Yeah.
That's the last time we'll have to go through this.